Given the function f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 5, determine the type and location of the relative extrema. All right, well, this is what we're going to do. We're going to find our critical points. The way you find your critical points is you're going to do the derivative and set it equal to 0. So f prime of x equals 0, like that. F prime of x is going to be 2x minus 6. Set that equal to 0. Okay? Add 6, 2x equals 6, divide by 2. We have one critical point, and that critical point exists at x equals 3, which is all of these. So that didn't really help. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself a sign chart or a sign graph or a sign table. And this is going to be for the derivative of x. Now, my magic number is 3. And so what I want to do is I want to find out where this graph is increasing and where this graph is decreasing. Okay, if I go from something that's increasing to decreasing, I have myself a relative maximum. If I go from decreasing to increasing, I have myself a relative minimum. And if I go from increasing to increasing or decreasing to decreasing, I have myself a neither. None of these are going to be inflection points. That's the second derivative. We'll get there. Now, the way I determine if something is increasing or decreasing is I choose a number in the interval that I care about. 3 is my only separation point. So I'm going to pick a number like 0, and I'm going to pick a number like 100. I'm going to take that and I'm going to plug that into the derivative. So the derivative that I got, and let me just write it out, the derivative that I got, since I messed it up all over here, was 2 times x minus 6. So if I plug in 0, I get f prime of 0 is going to be 2 times 0 minus 6, which is negative 6, which is negative. So you are a negative right here. If I were to plug in 100, f prime of 100 is going to be 2 times 100 minus 6, which is 200 minus 6, which is 194. That's positive. So you're positive. So what's happening is this is going down, and then all of a sudden we hit a 3, and now it's going up. So it looks to me that we have ourselves a relative minimum at x equals 3. Fun stuff.